National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clark County in southwest Arkansas, northwestern Dallas County in southwest Arkansas, Garland County in central Arkansas, western Grant County in central Arkansas, Hot Spring County in southwest Arkansas, east central Montgomery County in western Arkansas, west central Pulaski County in central Arkansas, Saline County in central Arkansas, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 2 miles east of Gap Creek Recreation Area to near Lofting to 5 miles west of Arkadelphia to 5 miles northwest of Bern, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Piney, Rockwell, Malvern, Lake Washita, Lake Hamilton, Hot Springs, the Gray Lake, Bryant, Benton, Arkadelphia, Hull, Traskwood, Thiel, Rockport, Richwoods, Prattsville, Poen, Poolah. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 54 and 124. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Monday evening for Arkansas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Arkansas: Clark, Dallas, Garland, Grant, Hot Spring, Montgomery, Pulaski, and Saline.